Sharjah Classic Cars Museum. This museum is a must-visit for any car enthusiast. It houses a collection of over 100 classic cars dating back to the early 20th century. Sharjah Classic Cars Museum. The museum is divided into 5 sections, showcasing vehicles from various eras and countries. Some of the highlights include a 1915 Dodge, the oldest car in the museum, a Model T Ford, a 1957 Bedford model used in the UAE military, a 1969 Mercedes 600 Pullman, and a 1974 MG Midget. The museum also features vintage car advertisements and an interactive area for kid. The Sharjah Classic Cars Museum is a haven for car enthusiasts, showcasing over 100 classic cars dating back to the early 20th century. It's a one-of-a-kind museum in the region, offering a glimpse into a century of car history. Image of Sharjah Classic Cars Museum. Car collection. The museum's vast collection features cars manufactured from the early 1900s until the 1960s. Visitors can marvel at iconic automobiles like the Model T Ford, various Fiats, a range of Mercedes-Benz vehicles, and American muscle cars like Fords, Cadillacs, Buicks, and Pontiacs. There are also some antique motorcycles and bicycles on display. The Sharjah Classic Cars Museum is divided into 5 sections, each representing a different era in car history. This allows visitors to trace the evolution of the automobile industry, from its early beginnings to more modern times. The museum also features exhibits on car engines, their functionality, and information about the manufacturers. The museum caters to all ages, including a designated interactive area for children. This section features puzzles and a driving simulator, making it a fun and engaging experience for the little ones. The Sharjah Classic Cars Museum is a haven for car enthusiasts, showcasing over 100 classic cars manufactured in the early 20th century. It's a one-of-a-kind museum in the region, boasting a unique and authentic atmosphere that transports visitors back in time. Image of Sharjah Classic Cars Museum. The museum is divided into 5 sections, meticulously curating vehicles from various eras and countries. The exhibits allow visitors to witness the incredible evolution of the automobile industry firsthand. Some of the museum's prized possessions include a 1915 Dodge, the museum's oldest car, a Model T Ford, a 1957 Bedford model used by the UAE military, a 1969 Mercedes 600 Pullman, a custom-made limousine for Sharjah's ruler, one of only 2,000 ever built, a 1974 MG Midget. The Sharjah Classic Cars Museum also features captivating vintage car advertisements and an interactive area specifically designed to entertain and educate children. The interactive area includes puzzles and a driving simulator, making it a fun and engaging experience for all ages.